Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and we have the Samsung Z Fold 3 right in front of us right here. I'll show you the back. So if you can see, the camera cutout is a bit smaller here, a bit thinner. The phone is a bit thinner, and now it's water resistant up to 1.5 meters, which is 4 or 5 feet. And that is the biggest thing with it. And the other thing that's different is this whole cutout here. You see where the camera used to be? Now it's under the display. That's where the camera you don't see anymore. And it has obviously the 888 processor now, the new processor. And let's go into the camera app. This is new right here, the optimized sensor here. And you also have something called director's view. So this phone that I'm recording in is the Z Fold 2. It only has dual recording, so you can see me, right? I can move this around, but this director view, it just switches back and forth while you're recording. That could come out with this for the Z Fold 2 as a software update. That is something that's already native on the Z Fold 3. The other thing I want to talk about, what I've noticed is which they don't talk about, I haven't heard anybody on YouTube talk about it, but there's 2 microphones on top here. And the Z Fold 2 only has one. You can see these right here and right here. And it's a lot thinner. Look how thin this device is. And there's obviously, which you can't see the mic, but there's a mic here, so you could talk. So there's 3 mics in total, where the Z Fold 2 has only 2. That is something that I've noticed about it while I was playing with it. And the other thing is the S Pen. This is an S Pen, but this is not the right S Pen. It has a special one. If you see this screen right here, there's a Fold Edition S Pen that now you could use for the screen. Fold 1 and Fold 2 you couldn't. This is the first Fold 3 or even any foldable phone for it to use a pen, an S Pen. So yeah, those are the biggest features. If you have any questions, comments, put it down below. Thank you for watching.